Welcome back. In this video, we're making a New York style cheesecake. Into a small pot, strawberries, sugar, water, and lemon juice. Bring up to a boil over medium heat and then cook, stirring often, for about 6 to 8 minutes, or until a jammy-like consistency forms. Turn off the heat, in goes more strawberries. Once those strawberries are heated through, pour into a bowl, cover, and place into the refrigerator for about 3 hours. Into a bowl, crushed vanilla wafers, sugar, and unsalted butter that has been melted. Mix until combined, or until a wet sand has formed. Grease a 9-inch springform cake pan, add in the crumb mixture, press firmly onto the bottom, bake at 350 degrees, for 8 to 10 minutes. Cool completely before you add your custard. For the custard, cream cheese, sour cream, sugar, and flour. Mix on medium speed until smooth, about 2 to 3 minutes. Then add eggs one at a time, pour in vanilla, brush the sides of a springform pan with butter, pour into a pre-made crust, place it into a roasting pan, pour in hot water, or until it reaches about halfway up your springform pan. Bake at 425 degrees for 10 minutes, then reduce to 250 degrees, and continue baking for another 55 to 60 minutes. Once it has cooled completely, cover and place into the refrigerator overnight. Onto a serving plate it goes, finish with a strawberry topping, dust with powdered sugar, and there we have it, New York style cheesecake. That's it for today, guys. Drop a like and a comment below, subscribe if you're new. I'll see you next time.